So this question is from 9702 slash summer 23 question paper 11. Yeah. A camera drone of mass 1.20 kilogram hovers at a fixed point above the ground. The drone has 4 propellers. In time 1 second, each propeller pulls a mass of 0.40 kilogram of air vertically downward. Assume that air above the propeller is stationary. What is speed of air leaving each propeller? Okay, now we have a weight of this drone as W equals to mg, or 1.20 times gravitational acceleration 9.81. Yeah. It's hovering this force, so force it will be equals to W. Yeah, this same thing with W, later because this hovering. Yeah, hover. Then this is actually for Newton third law that that they have consequence as the impulse equals to change of momentum. Yeah, impulse equals to force times delta t, or this is delta t. Yeah, and then momentum delta p is mass times v final minus v initial. Yeah, and later we have v initial equals to 0. Then actually we need to find the speed of each propellers. Okay, we check this 1.2. This is actually 1.2 times 9.81. Yeah. Then delta t is 1.0, and mass is, we have 4 propellers. Yeah, and mass vertically downward is 0.400. Yeah, and times v final. Yeah, v final, that's equals to 0. So we get v final after we calculate it's about 7.36 meter second minus 1. That's it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.